Hi students, a very good morning to all of you. Now today we are going to discuss and start new chapter of physics, that is chemical effect of electric current. Okay, chemical effect of electric current. You know that what is electric current? Electric current is what? Simply the rate of flow of charge. When the charge flow, then electricity can flow. Okay, and that is known as electric current. Okay, but this electric current comes or generate due to the effect of chemical. Okay, so in this chapter we will study about electric current but due to chemical effect. Okay, means we will study the chemical effects of electric current. Understood? So for this, we know that the electric charge is flow, then electric current is flow. Okay. Then first we will discuss what from where the charges come. So first, commonly used term to describe chemical effect of electric current, that is electrolyte. Electrolyte. What is electrolyte? A substance which gives ions when melted or dissolved in water is called electrolyte. Means ऐसा substance जो वाटर में डिजोल्व होता है एंड ड्यूरिंग डिजोल्विंग दे कैन जनरेट आयंस. Okay, ions means what? There are two types of ion, first positive and second negative. Positive is known as cation and negative is known as anion. These are the two ions. These are the two ions. Ions are two types, cation and anion. Cation is a positive charge, anion is a negative charge. Means when any substance dissolve in water, then during dissolution they generate two ions. First, they generate ions, that is cation or anion. Then they are known as what? Electrolyte. Suppose we are taking some examples. You know that NaCl. This is what? Sodium chloride. This is a sodium chloride or simply table salt. Table salt is जो common salt आप घर में use करते हैं, that is a NaCl. When this NaCl dissolve with water, formula of water H2O, then it gives in aqueous solution Na. Na plus and plus Cl minus. Means this sodium and chlorine is break in their ions form. Sodium can form sodium ion and chlorine is formed chlorine ion. Sodium ion is known as cation because it forms positive charge and chlorine is formed negative charge, that is anion. Okay, understood? Clear? The solution of any electrolyte is called electrolytic solution, and the solution of any electrolyte is known as what? Electrolytic solution. Means when you dissolve common salt in water, then that is known as electrolytic solution. That is known as electrolytic solution. Clear? Now, sodium chloride, common salt, sulfuric acid, sodium hydroxide are some typical electrolytes. Means what? Some examples of electrolyte, that is what? Common salt, that is NaCl. After that, sulfuric acid, H2SO4. Sulfuric acid, it also break into ions form. And next is sodium hydroxide, NaOH. This also breaks into ions form, Na plus and OH minus. That is also known as caustic soda. That is known as caustic soda. Okay. These are some electrolytes. When dissolve this into water, then it forms electrolytes and it forms ions, cations and ions. And these cation and ions are charge carriers. These cation and ions are charge carrier. Okay, due to this charge, the electric current can flow, or simply we can say that the current can flow or carry by these charges. Understood? Okay. Now after that we will discuss non-electrolytic solution. This is the electrolytic solution. What is non-electrolyte and what is non-electrolytic solution? सब्सटेंस विच डज नॉट गिव आयन, ऐसे सब्सटेंस जो आयंस नहीं देते हैं ड्यूरिंग डिसॉल्विंग इन वाटर, दे आर नोन एज व्हाट, नॉन इलेक्ट्रोलाइट, and the solution is known as non electrolytic solution. Clear? The substance which does not conduct electricity through in solution in water is called, in water state is called non electrolyte. Means simply what, the solution which cannot conduct electricity, the solution which cannot conduct electricity, that is also known as non electrolyte or non electrolyte conductor. Clear? Suppose example here, there are so many examples given in your book: sugar, urea, benzene, carbon tetrachloride, alcohol are some non-neutral. These are the, and some also others are also non-neutral, but they are not given in your book. So some non-electrolytes are given in your book. Now after that we will understand about conductor. Conductor. What is conductor? Material. Simply, conductor means the material which conduct heat or electricity. But in this chapter, we will study about electric current. So we can say that the substance which conduct electricity, okay, that is known as conductor. Clear? Material which allow electricity to flow through them is called conductor. Simply, we can say that what, the material which allow current or electric current to flow through them is known as conductor. Example, there are so many conductors are given: silver, okay, copper, aluminium, iron, brass, graphite, etc. are the conductors. But what is the good best conductor? That is silver and copper. Silver is the best conductor. Okay. Solution of strong electrolyte and moderate electrolytes also good conductor of electricity. Means strong electrolyte, solution of strong electrolyte, strong electrolyte के solution, strong electrolyte के solution, strong electrolyte के solution कैसे होते हैं? Simply they are good conductors of electricity. They are good conductor of electricity. And solution of weak electrolyte, अगर यहीं के weak electrolyte की बात करेंगे, solution weak electrolyte, that is the bad conductor of electric current, okay, or poor conductor of electric current. And this is the good conductor of electric current, and this is the bad conductor. Clear? Now after that we will discuss insulator. After that we will discuss insulator. Okay, now let's see here. What is insulator? Insulator, material which do not allow current. ऐसा material जो current को allow नहीं करता है, that is insulator. Means the substance which do not allow electric current to flow through them is known as insulator. Means ऐसा substance जिसके through electricity pass नहीं करती है, electricity pass नहीं करती है, that substance is known as insulator. Understood? Okay. Now example, dry wood, sulfur, plastic, glass, quartz, dry piece of cloth are some common insulators. Okay, we know that what is cation, and we are already discussed cation and anion. Now after that we will discuss about electrolysis. Electrolysis. What is electrolysis? The process of splitting of electrolyte with the help of electricity is called electrolysis. Means ये ऐसा प्रोसेस जो इलेक्ट्रोलाइट को उनके आयंस के फॉर्म में स्प्लिट करता है, ब्रेक कर देता है, that process is known as electrolysis. Okay, किसके हेल्प से? इलेक्ट्रिक करंट के हेल्प से. मीन्स इलेक्ट्रोलाइट को उनके आयंस के फॉर्म में ब्रेक कर देता है during with the help of electricity. That process is known as electrolysis. During electrolysis, cation get reduced at cathode and anion get oxidized at anode. इस प्रोसेस के थ्रू जो cation होता है पॉजिटिव चार्ज, ओके, दिस पॉजिटिव चार्ज रिड्यूस हो जाता है कैथोड पे, ओके, एंड नेगेटिव चार्ज ऑक्सीडाइज हो जाता है, मींस एनायन ऑक्सीडाइज होता है एनोड पे. क्लियर? Electrolysis of molten sodium chloride gives sodium metal at cathode and chlorine gas at anode. अगर NaCl का आप इलेक्ट्रोलिसिस करेंगे with the help of electric current, then in that what at two rods are there at cathode and anode. So what happened at cathode? Molten sodium chloride gives sodium metal. मीन्स जो सोडियम क्लोराइड है NaCl है, जब ये ब्रेक होगा तो कैथोड रॉड होगा, एनोड रॉड होगा. तो कैथोड पे हमें क्या मिलेगा? सोडियम मेटल. मीन्स जो सोडियम है वो कहाँ मिलेगा? कैथोड में, क्योंकि पॉजिटिव चार्ज होता है सोडियम. जब ये ब्रेक होगा तो Na प्लस और Cl माइनस में ब्रेक होगा. तो Na प्लस किधर रिड्यूस हो रहा है? कैथोड पे. तो सोडियम मेटल कहाँ मिलेगा? कैथोड पे. और यहीं पे क्लोरीन गैस Cl2 गैस बनेगी जो नेगेटिव रहती है, Cl नेगेटिव होता है, तो ये ऑक्सीडाइज जाएगा कहाँ पे? एनोड पे. नहीं, एनोड पे इकट्ठा होगा. क्लोरीन गैस एनोड से निकलेगा और पॉजिटिव कैथोड पे इकट्ठा होगा. मींस सोडियम मेटल कैथोड पे इकट्ठा हो जाएगा. ओके, now electrolytes. What is electrodes? What is electrodes? Okay, first to understand and see it. Okay class, let's see here. Electrodes, a metallic wire or rod through which electric current either enter or leaves an electrolytic solution, that is electrodes. Means अगर कोई एक solution है, electrolyte solution, इसमें दो रॉड लगा दिया, एक रॉड से दूसरे रॉड पे, यानी कि एक से करंट आ रहा है और एक से करंट जा रहा है, एक से जा रहा है एक से आ रहा है, इस रॉड को हम क्या कहते हैं? इलेक्ट्रोड्स. क्लियर? Now after the cathode and anode, what is cathode and anode? In an electrolytic cell, the electrodes at which electricity enters the solution is called anode. अगर suppose that this is an electrolytic cell, two rods are there, okay, two rods are there, and this is electrolytic solution. This is electrolytic solution. Clear? And these two rods are connected with a battery. Okay? We know that in battery the small denote negative terminal and this is positive terminal. And electrons flow from negative terminal to positive terminal. You know that? And current flows from positive terminal. So current flows from positive terminal. Then what happened? In an electrolyte, the electrode side which electricity enters the solution. इलेक्ट्रिसिटी इंटर किससे कर रही है? इधर से करेगी. तो जिस पोजीशन से इंटर करेगी उसे कहेंगे एनोड. क्या कहेंगे? एनोड. क्लियर? उस रॉड को एनोड कहेंगे. एंड द इलेक्ट्रोड एट व्हिच करंट लीव्स सॉल्यूशन, और इससे मूव करके करंट आएगा और ऐसे मूव करके इससे जाएगा. मींस इससे करंट जा रहा है तो इस रॉड को बोलेंगे कैथोड. क्लियर? Cathode anode. Okay. In an electrolytic cell, and you know that this small is negative and this is positive. Okay. Means anode is a positive and cathode is a negative. Okay. In an electrolytic cell, anode is a positive electrode and cathode is a negative electrode. Now after that we will discuss voltmeter. What is voltmeter? What is voltmeter? Instrument which is used for measuring the voltage across the two electrodes is called voltmeter. Means दोनों electrodes के बीच में कितना voltage supply हो रहा है, that is measured by voltmeter. Simply we can say that what voltmeter is a device which can measure the potential across the two electrodes. That is known as voltmeter. Understood? And it measures the potential difference in volts. Volts is a unit. Okay? And it always connected. It connected in circuit parallelly. It connected in circuit parallel. Okay? Now after that, next term is ammeter. What is ammeter? Ammeter is a device which can measure the current. Ammeter is a device which can measure the current, electric current in the circuit. And दो electrodes बीच में कितने amount का current flow कर रहा है, that is measured by ammeter. Means it is a device which can measure the electric current between these two electrodes. Understood? Okay. And this current measured in ammeter, sorry, ampere. Okay, you know that this is a unit of current, and this ammeter is always connected in the circuit in series manner. In series manner. Understood? So you have to learn this. This is series and this is parallel. Okay? Okay, note it. Okay, class. Now after that we will discuss this next topic. Now after that voltameter. Voltameter. What is voltameter? first to know that you study voltmeter and ammeter. Voltmeter and ammeter is a device which can measure the electric current and potential difference. Means voltmeter is current voltmeter device which measure the potential difference, okay, in volts, and ammeter is a device which can measure the current in amperes. Okay, but this is a voltameter. Voltameter is what? Voltameter is a glass or plastic container containing two electrodes and electrolytic solution is called voltameter. Means प्लास्टिक या ग्लास कंटेनर होता है जिसमें दो इलेक्ट्रोड्स होते हैं इलेक्ट्रोलिटिक सॉल्यूशन में, वो कहलाता है वोल्टामीटर. ओके, एंड वी आल्सो कॉल्ड इलेक्ट्रोलिटिक सेल. मींस दिस voltameter is also called electrolytic cell. क्लियर? दिस टाइप का स्ट्रक्चर होता है इस तरीके से. ग्लास हो गया, दो रॉड्स हो गए, ओके, क्लियर, एंड इसमें इलेक्ट्रोलिटिक सॉल्यूशंस हो गए और ये किसी भी चीज से कनेक्ट है, मींस कोई रेजिस्टेंस यहाँ पे कनेक्ट है. क्लियर? दैट इज इलेक्ट्रोलिटिक सेल. Clear? Now after this electrolytic cell, we will discuss about cell. What is cell? A source of electricity is called a cell. A source of means क्या generate करता है? Electricity generate करता है. That is cell. So a source of electricity is called a cell. A combination of cell is known as battery. When these cells combine, okay, like this. Okay. This is positive, this is negative, this is negative, this is positive, this is negative, this is positive. When these cells are combined in this way, that is known as what? This is known as battery. इन्हें हम क्या कहेंगे? Battery. Means when cells combine each other in proper manner, then it is known as battery. Clear? A cell or battery gives direct. A cell which are battery हो, they gives what? Direct current, DC current. Okay, that is direct current. यानी सेल्स या बैटरी से जो करंट निकलता है that is DC current. Okay. Okay. Now class, we will stop the class here. Now you have to revise all the topics we will discuss today. Okay, and you have to complete all the chapters which are discussed today or completed, okay, previously, like sound chapter, okay, and after sound we will completed which chapter? Some natural phenomena, and before some natural phenomena we will completed chapter that is known as light. That is known as light. So I'll give all the question answer of 3 chapters: light, some natural phenomena, and sound on your WhatsApp group, and you have to complete your copy and submit on Saturday. Clear? Submit on Saturday in your school, or Friday. Submit on Friday. Clear? Before Saturday you have to submit in school. Clear? All of you. Okay. Thank you to everyone.